Today I show you a comparison between 3 EDC bags, everyday carry items that you can keep in these bags. And the first one I want to show you, you already saw this in a video. I have the video where I show everything about it. This is the bag that is made, it's a wallet that you attach to a backpack, and I turned it into a shoulder bag with the straps like this from another shoulder bag like that. And that's it has a pocket in the front. I put keys and coins here, it's very useful for that. Then there is the pocket for the phone. This pocket here is perfect for the phone. I can just throw the phone in there. It sits there perfectly. And then you have this compartment for cards. Really, this is an actual wallet. So you can open the bag way more like that. And then you have this compartment for money and ID. Money and ID goes there, and you can even have a pen on the bottom there. I don't use that. And also there is the back of this bag where you can have different items. I have the Victorinox compact here sitting there in case I need. It's not bad. And a key attachment. I keep the keys here in front, I find it more convenient. So that's that bag. This one is a bit small. I wouldn't be able to put the phone in this bag. And this is for, I would use it for EDC, everyday carry items. And actually it makes more sense to compare. This is the Solognac X-Access size S, and that's the Solognac X-Access size M. So I will do the comparison between these two. Okay, so the phone would not fit in the small one. Maybe a small phone would fit in that one, but it could fit maybe in this one, in the size M. So if you want to carry the phone in your bag and not in a separate pocket, then that's a big difference between them. The Forclaz, the Forclaz, I don't remember the name of it. The Forclaz waist wallet, EDC wallet, this is what I use now. It has a perfect space for the phone, but this one doesn't. So this one, the small Solognac here, size S, it's more convenient to have it as a pocket bag. You can actually fit this in a pocket of your cargo pants if you use cargo pants, even in jeans maybe, but I'm not sure about that. You have all these compartment options, and then a pocket, separate pocket here. This is for small things, like I would use it as a sound kit, maybe put some audio recording equipment, some multi-tools, Swiss Army knife, something like this, small things. And you have here these these attachment options, and then the zipper compartment. And the zipper compartment has this piece of plastic that it's from the other side. It's from this belt, the attachment system to the backpack. So you can have this attached to a backpack, but it's a bit annoying that it's inside there. Has a nice decent strap as the code. So let's compare them side by side. You have way more space in the medium, and this is the old size S, and that's the new size M. Solognac X-Access size S pouch, organizer pouch, and Solognac X-Access organizer pouch size M. The difference between the old and the new ones, you have this belt. I'm glad they removed that and they use this system now with the this, don't know this how it's called, this cup or something. So you have this cup, you remove it from the strap, and then you have the hook and loop to put a belt in there, and you can secure it. I believe it's a much better system like this. It's not so easy to remove it, but when you have something on your bag, you don't want to remove it by accident. So that's a big difference. And also between the size S and M, the S is one. Between the size S for small and M for medium, you have one strap for the size S, which you don't need more because there's not much width to it. And the size M has two to keep it flat. This is in general between them. The new size S will also have the same style of strap, but one here. Also, I don't see the strap on this one. So the new one doesn't have the strap here. I thought it had it, but maybe the small one does have it. I'm not sure. The old one has this, you can hold it like that. This is meant to be an attachment to your backpack or your bags in general. So yeah, you can hold it like this. Hold it like this. I don't know. Maybe a strap would have been useful. I thought they have it here. You could keep it from here. This also has extra attachment points on the front. The old one doesn't have any attachment points on the front. And the small one, the new small one, I will put a picture here so you see this. So you have, this is the size M, and here I will put the picture for the size S from the new series. And now you see so this is the size S old one, the old size S, and the back for the size S, the back of size old one, and the front one. And now you have the front of the size S. Now you see the new one, front and back. I'll put a picture here. So there is a lot more space actually. You can, I think this is the difference really. I think you can fit. The new models seem to be a bit bigger than the old one. So I think that's good, the M. And maybe the S will be even smaller to fit even better in jeans pockets. So you have, this is a bonus compartment. You don't have it on the old one, maybe on the, so let's compare also how the size M, the new one, looks like compared to the old one. I couldn't find the old one, they were out of stock and they brought the new ones, but actually I prefer this one. So this is the new one, front and back of the new one. And this is the old one. I will put a picture now here. This is the old one picture, the front and the back. So the new one here, it has all these compartments where you have much more option to organize than the small. The small one, it has a few options, organizing options, but not as many as the medium one. And you have here these big pockets. You have big strap under and then small elastic bands. Yes, a large elastic band under, a big elastic band under this, and then you have the small one on top. So it's a nice dual functionality there. And also you have this pocket, an extra pocket in between to keep. It's good to have this separator with the pocket so things don't scratch each other too much, damage each other. And this pocket moves like a book. You can actually unfold it, and then you have the deep space here. Much more space in the medium, but it's also more bulky, so it's all about the size of the items you want to put in it and how many. Many times it's really small pouch for a quick something to have your keys, and if I will use the recorder, I will put audio recording equipment, very small, just to make these videos. I mean, if I decide to make a video outside, so I could do that. But here, this would be more difficult to carry. I wouldn't be carrying this in my pocket for sure. But you have all these options here, all these options. There's elastic bands again, dual function. 4 large items or 8 small items on this side, and then 4 small items, medium actually, 4 medium items, and actually they are kind of medium and large, and then this also medium here and small. So that's how you would be able to organize them. Yeah. The old model is more simple, but the new model has improvements in functionality, and I like this dual function of these straps with the dual function. They can be very useful to put things together. And you don't have to close the middle pocket, you can keep it like this, so you can open it, see some things here and some other things here, or you can close it like that. Yeah, so between these two, I prefer the new model, especially because of this bulky. The zipper on the old model is very bulky. The zipper on the new model is very compact, as it should be. Also, the new model has a nicer design, in my opinion, and the belt strap, it's a big deal. The old style with this plastic clip, I don't like it, especially because inside, on the other side, you have that piece of plastic that might not let you put anything like a phone on the screen there. While this is much more secure, much more robust, I believe. So, don't know if I could put my phone in this. I mean, I could put it like that, but you don't want to put it and then have your keys and everything go on top of it. Maybe it would fit in this pocket. I think probably no. So if I wanted to have the phone, I would have to keep this only with soft things like a cleaner, like a cleaning cloth for the phone, for example. Let's clean off the fingerprints of it. So soft things, they could go there, but I think the phone is much more convenient to keep the phone in this bag, in the wallet bag, and it's very nicely packed there. And the zippers on this Forclaz wallet, waist wallet bag, it's perfect, really, I like it so much. But when it's about audio recording gear, I would probably use this one, the big one, size M, for the audio recorder and the microphones and cables and other things. And the small one, I will keep this one for memory cards. When the small one will be available, when I'll get that one, I will use probably that one for memory cards. And the pocket knife, could use a Swiss Army knife. I could put a Swiss Army knife in it, or a small miniature pliers. There are a lot of options. From all these three, I like all of them more or less, but I like the medium one the most because it has all those extra functionality. but I like the size of the small one, and I hope when they make this, when the new model of the small one, I hope when I can get the new model of the small one, that small one will be even a little bit smaller to have only the basic things, a recorder and a microphone basically, and very small SD card and micro SD cards, small USB adapter, maybe a tiny cable. This is easier to carry with you every day in the pocket, and when it will be smaller, even better. And this is more convenient to have in a bag, to have your ready-to-go kit for whatever you do, whatever you need. You can also use this to have, if you go camping, you can keep items, cutlery, food, for example, things that are they're supposed to be kept separate, things you eat with, like a pocket knife that you use to eat, or there's a kitchen set, not the whole pot, not the whole pans and the plates, but only the cutleries. Maybe you can use this for a technology pocket. In the bag you can have USB cables, you can have adapters, memory cards. I don't know from these ones which one is going to be easier to use. In a bag it's probably going to be better to have this one. In a pocket, the small one. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any of these bags, why you chose this one and not the other one, or the other way around, and what you carry in your EDC kit, what you have in your bag with you, and if you carry it every day or only when you go somewhere. I carry the Forclaz bag every day with me, and I only have the pocket knife in there other than the usual things everyone has. But these ones, I will carry them when going outside for to make a video recording for the sound kit. Maybe this one will fit also some lens adapters and polarizing filter, ND filter, audio recorder adapter, and USB cables. Thanks for watching.